Dear my wonderful fellow YouTubers and every fantastic soul who has been my subscribers and viewers, what's your emotional state today? It's me Ubiji here. Today, I'm super excited to give a big shout out to all of you my wonderful cyberjis who has been supporting me to build this amazing community together. Thank you immensely for being such an integral part of this community. Thank you for leaving such wonderful comments on each of my videos. Your openness in sharing views, experiences, appreciation, and heartfelt wishes means the world to me. Your comments create a beautiful connection like a time tunnel that draws me closer to you with every word I read. Every like you've left on my videos, your subscriptions, and your consistent presence in each one mean the world to me. From the depth of my heart, thank you immensely. And in this moment, I want to express my deepest gratitude to my friend Claude Dewulf. Your act of uploading my latest video about why people become bitter during your live stream to support my channel truly touches my heart. Jean-Claude, I deeply appreciate your ongoing engagement with my content, for consistently sharing your opinions and thoughts in my videos, and for your unwavering presence in each one. Your act of uploading my video to your live stream and promoting it to your friends makes a world of difference to me. Un grand merci for everything you do. cyberji, I would like to share a bit about Jean-Claude with you. Jean-Claude is not only an awesome gentleman, but also an incredible musician who runs the channel Jean-Claude. As a friend, he embodies true kindness and wholeheartedly supports his friends' channels. I absolutely adore most of his cover songs, but my favorite one is L'Oiseau. Even though I don't understand French, this song's beauty transcends language barriers. Its dreamy, atmospheric sound captivates my ears. Jean-Claude sings it with such grace and beauty, and his angelic voice infuses the song with a sense of longing for inner peace. His voice possesses a magical ability to soothe tensions and envelop you in tranquility. It sounds like dreamy and atmospheric to my ears, and Jean-Claude successfully sang it beautifully, and his angelic voice gives this song the sense of longing for inner peace. His voice has the magical ability to ease your tenses and live with peace. So cyberji, if you want to enjoy Jean-Claude's angelic voice, I suggest you visit his channel, and you can also leave a subscription to be part of his channel. Once again, to all of the ClickMind family, thank you so much for everything, and let's continue working together and supporting each other. I firmly believe that every act of support and kindness we extend to others transform into little wings, and these wings carry our dreams, hopes, and prayers to our Creator. And I pray that every support you have given to ClickMind brings you more closer to your dreams. Thank you so much for everything, and see you!